Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from HighLevel. So this is awesome because it is a brand new rebuild of the GoKollab mobile app. So right now it's in beta. So if you're looking at this and you want to try the beta out, this is your announcement. So what's the point here? Why do we do this and what's going on? So basically the idea here is beta version 2 for both iOS and Android. We've rebuilt the GoKollab app from the ground up to be a lot faster, a lot more intuitive, and a lot more engaging. The idea here is it's a much more native app experience. So you're going to get a lot instant reliable notifications, blazing fast load speeds, rock solid stability, and it'll be a lot more streamlined for testing and so forth. So basically it is the Collab app as you've known it, but a lot better, a lot faster, and a lot more reliable. So the idea here is, obviously more reliable notifications, native app experience here. You're also going to get a lot more intuitive navigation, jumping between like courses and communities, events, and chats are instant now, no lag. So all kinds of cool stuff. And then of course, what's up next? We've got a unified feed going live, GoKollab Marketplace, mobile, the ability to go live in the mobile app. You can do this right now on the web. You can do this on a mobile website or the mobile website version or whatever, but you can't do it in the app. That's coming soon. That's going to be huge. Automated QA integration, richer post editing, deep linking, and then finally bringing all of this experience to the branded native apps as well. But as always, we love to get out beta and we love to get feedback from all of you. So when you get a chance, definitely check it out. There is a changelog on this. So you're going to go to ideas.gohighlevel.com and go into the changelog. And right here, you see Collab mobile app beta version 2. Here are the links you need to jump in and join that beta. So when you get a chance, definitely check that out. So anyhow, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Thursday and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.